Nail polish, huh? Well, it ain't just for your fancy fingers. In fact, it can be used to solve quite a few common problems around the home. So raid your girlfriend's makeup box and let's get to it. Got some loose screws? Here's how to handle it. Head over to your problem area and simply remove the squirrely screw. Next, apply some clear nail polish to the tapered end. Screw it in quickly and the nail polish will act as an interior adhesive to ensure a perfect grip for life. It's also important to note that although we used clear polish for most of these hacks, colored nail polish will work the exact same way. We're just saving ours for our next manicure. So how about those rings of rust on the corner of your bathtub? That's an easy clean, but here's a great trick to stop it from happening in the first place. All you gotta do is apply a clear coat of polish directly to the metal bottoms of bathtub toiletries. You know, stuff like that pesky shaving cream can. This creates a thin layer under the bottom edge which prevents the rust ring from even forming. In addition, another cool use is to take some polish on that outdoor furniture of yours. This will keep that rust-causing rain at bay and keeping those screws nice and new. Got a window screen that's been ripped up or punctured? No need to replace it because the fix is as easy as pressing the screen back together and applying a nice, even spread of clear coat covering both sides. When that's done, just hit it with a blow dryer and accelerate the bond. Voila! Looks good as new. Maybe just a bit shinier. Now everyone's cracked one of their electronics at some point, making them both unsightly and dangerous to use. Here's how to fix up some extremely minor glass cracks just like the ones you see here. Grab your clear nail polish and apply a thin layer directly to the problem areas and then let it seep into the cracks just a bit. You can also use this method to fill in jagged areas so you don't cut your fingers by creating a nice smooth surface instead. Again, bust out that blow dryer and give this thing a nice gust for quick completion. So you need to patch up your paws after dealing with that broken screen? Don't sweat it. A quick fix for you is to blot your wound directly with a rag and then put a small layer of nail polish right over the top. Now, it's obviously gonna sting a little bit, but the bleeding will stop almost immediately. Your wound will continue to heal under the glossy finish, and that mild burning sensation serves as a great reminder that you're still alive. Nothing is worse than busting your headphones out and finding that you're missing an earbud. Just do a little planning ahead. Dab a little coat on the plastic outside of the speaker, then quickly put the earbud back on. This will adhere in mere moments, and you're good to go. Jam on, my friend. If you like camping, you know the importance of a nice fire. So how about waterproofing those matches before you head out into the wilderness? All you need to do is grab some Strike Anywhere matches and give them a nice little dip into some nail polish. Try to cover just the tip so you can form a nice seal. Next, just set them out somewhere to dry, or hit them with that fancy hair dryer to make quick work of it. When you're ready to fire them up, these bad boys will be ideal for ignition, rain or shine. So there's some sticky quick tips that you can use in a bind. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. Drop us a line if you've got any obscure tips that we missed. As always, thanks for watching and feel free to share our video with your friends and check out this other video here for more useless tips, but useful tips.